Hi there, this is Tony Esteves coming to you from London, Ontario, Canada, and I've got a message today about kindness. On November 13th, I had the privilege of attending my first Kindfest. And Kindfest is a festival of kindness that took place virtually in the UK, and it was really, really great. And it was really great for a bunch of reasons. First of all, they sold over 6,000 tickets, and all of the proceeds from those tickets went to local charities, which is incredible. You even had the opportunity to buy a ticket. The tickets were £5 each for a stranger, so someone else could buy a ticket on the Friday, get a ticket on the Friday for free, which I thought was fantastic. And the event was opened by BBC journalist Camilla McInnes, and she was wearing this wonderful glitter jacket, this like gold glitter jacket that really set the tone for some fun and some playfulness, which I can totally relate to because I've got a bit of a glitter suit myself as I perform as Mirror Man from time to time here in Canada. So I just really, really appreciated that. And then the sessions were fantastic. The presenters were great. I actually learned about Kindfest through researcher Gillian Sandstrom, who was presenting in one of the rooms, and she's done just a ton of really great work on talking to strangers. And I actually cite some of her work in the upcoming Talk to More People book. So I'm thrilled for that little connection that brought me to this kindness. Now that the event is done, those of us who had tickets can review all of the sessions that we couldn't attend because, of course, there were many sessions going on at the same time. And they've started this kindness calendar, which I think is really cool. You can go to @TeamKindUK to see them on Instagram, where they offer basic tips on how to bring more kindness into the world. And the one for today, the message for today, is to volunteer. And I think volunteering is really great. It's actually a suggestion in the Talk to More People book as well. It's great because when you volunteer, you gain access to a community of people who you otherwise wouldn't have access to, which allows for human connection. And also, you get to do a kind act. You get to bring more goodness into the world. So that's my message for today, is that you volunteer. And finally, I'd just like to offer that you visit teamkind.org.uk to see how you can bring a little more kindness into the world, and stand by for news and information about their upcoming Kindfest in 2021. Thank you, Kindfest people. It was fantastic. Ciao for now. Bye.